Hi everybody, I'm excited because this new Lascozy portable air conditioner has just arrived and it has been so hot lately. So I am so excited because I am so tired of lugging around my giant fan with me, and this is such an easy alternative. So let's open up the box and check it out. Compared to your typical fan, the size of this is so compact and convenient. Where it's so hot in the summer, it's a pain to move the fan around. So this is perfect for sitting on the sofa at home, for cooking in the kitchen, for pretty much anywhere you are in your house because it's so easy and convenient to move. With a Type-C design and an included cable, you can connect this to charge to different mobile power banks, to wall outlets, to car chargers, etc. The independent water tank is designed so that it's safe and protects the air cooler. To use the fan button, the first time you press it's the first gear, 2 times is the second gear, and 3rd time is the 3rd gear. So you just press it 4 times and it will turn the fan off. For the spray button, if you press it once, it will do a continuous spray, and if you press it twice, it will be an intermittent spray. There are 3 different speed settings and 2 different modes of mist. So one button controls the 3 wind speeds and the other button controls the spray effect of the 2 modes. You can easily use this also for aromatherapy by dripping your own essential oil into the aromatherapy compartment. So that's a pretty cool thing too, especially if you like essential oils in your house. This portable air conditioner also has a nightlight function. So when you're sleeping, you can turn the nightlight on and then you just have a nightlight as well. It's awesome. So this little portable air conditioner is actually really cool. It's so lightweight and convenient, and you can easily just put it from your desk to your bedside. I know my plants will love it because they love humidity. The nightlight's amazing. It's just soft enough that you can really sleep with it and have the fan and the humidity all at the same time. It's just really ideal. So I definitely like this, and I would recommend heading on over to check it out because it's pretty cool.